All right, look what we got. Another doggy area for all my little guys. It's huge. I love it. I had them in my pool area for a little bit. It doesn't take away from these guys. Still plenty of space in the dog yard. It's perfect. Some old fencing that I never threw away. I love it. We got plenty of shade. A little tapping in a job lot. Love that place. Okay, here they go. Here they go. Here they go. Took about 3 hours to put this thing together. We figured it out. What's going on? Can I help you, my dear? Why? You're always in between my legs. Go, 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 go. Look at you. What are you doing up there? Okay. Just checking in, saying hello. Oh my God, you guys are killing me. You better not bite me. We got a new tent up, plenty of shade. I'm excited. I'm loving this little dog pen area. All right, you guys are gonna take me out by the knees.
Okay, all right,
Girlfriend, you better not bite me. Jeez. Perfect. This is awesome. I'm so pumped. Oh, we're gonna move this away from the fence before someone jumps over. Nope, nope, nope. Cheyenne, you crack me up. Wilson, how you doing, Wilson? Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? All right. Could I check in, say hello? Super proud of this little fenced-in area here. I'm looking excited. This is great. This is awesome. Lily, you pooped? You pooped, Lily? They all been running around. Hi, Kylie. Hi, my dear. Oh, the good girl. Maggie May. Wilson, you little cutie guy. Oh, now you're on the chair. What's up, Carmela? What's up, Marshall? Knees. I'm pumped. Cash, what are you doing in there? You're funny. Tuka getting some lovin's. Judy. All right. I don't know what today is. Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. We'll check in later. Figured I'd say hello. Oh, 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 oh. Sorry. I almost tripped over you, Rocky. I almost tripped over you, Rocky. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. This is freaking awesome. I'm so pumped. It looks better in person. It's huge. It's good space. It doesn't take away from the dog yard, the main yard. All right, happy Wednesday.